Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you find that the royal icing tastes too much like straight-up powdered sugar, just add more flavor and maybe even try using lemon juice instead of water so the acidity cuts through some of the sweetness. Obviously not all extracts, emulsions will work with lemon, so adjust accordingly.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I've heard so many people say that royal icing tastes bad. I really think this is because it's not properly flavored. Leaving the flavoring out of royal icing is like forgetting to salt your food. It still cooks, and it might even be pretty, but without it, it just doesn't taste as good.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How cream of tartar is used. On the other hand, cream of tartar on its own is often included in royal icing recipes, as one of its key functions is to stabilize whipped egg whites. It's also used to stabilize whipped cream and to prevent sugar syrups from crystallizing.
Let's help you make your mark.
How royal icing is different from other icings or frostings. The biggest difference between, say, buttercream frosting and royal icing is texture. Buttercream is creamy and soft. Royal icing hardens to a candy-like texture.
Let's help you make your mark.
Royal icing mostly just tastes like sugar. It's very sweet, and most meringue powders will also give it a subtle vanilla flavor. You can jazz up the taste by adding lemon juice or any other kind of extract, but just be aware of how liquids affect the consistency.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Royal icing carries a very slight risk of salmonella infection from the raw egg whites used to make it. If you want to eliminate that risk completely, use pasteurized whites, which are available either dried or fresh.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do I flavor powdered sugar glaze? Once you have the basic powdered sugar and cream recipe down, the fun part comes. You can add vanilla, coconut, almond or even butter extract to the glaze to boost its flavor. Add a half teaspoon at a time until it tastes just like you love.
Make your mark, take our lead.
4 weeks. Royal icing can be stored at room temperature for up to 4 weeks. Tip: I store my royal icing in the fridge in an airtight container with a piece of plastic wrap tightly covering the top, with the lid. I store it in the fridge as it doesn't separate as much.
Take our lead.
Sift 3 parts confectioner's sugar into a mixing bowl followed by 1 part dried egg white powder. You need about 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1/4 cup of dried egg whites to make enough meringue powder for a standard 9-inch pie.
Take our lead.
Yes, it is supposed to dry very hard, but if you don't like it, then definitely try the recipe that Sherry mentioned above. I don't mind the hard texture of the icing in contrast to the softer cookie.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.